Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be looking back at the Pandas DataFrame describe method, and we're going to be looking more into it. So alright, let's just go ahead and put this into memory. So this is what we do here. We do micro videos, and we do bite-sized videos, and we build one upon the other. That's absolutely why it's important to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So alright, let's just go ahead and bring this in. So I showed you this a couple months ago just to kind of give you a feel of it. There's actually a great deal more that you can do to control it. So let's just look at it. So all right, the default is, well, here, let's go, hi, describe, boom. Count, mean, standard, min, max, and the defaults are 25, 50, and 75th percentile. Now you can do, let's see, where is it? Include all? Yeah. Check this out. Okay. Include equal, and this takes a string. All. Boom. That's everything. Now, my favorite is when you go and you want to mess with the percentile. So here we go. So let's say you have nums and you want 10. You want groups of 10. 10. Comma 2. I guess you could actually make a compound list here. 4, 5. Let's do that. So then we go hi describe percentile. Let's see where I'm going with this. Percentiles none, default include exclude. Percentiles, and then we're going to pass it num. So there we go. So then I can control what my percentiles are. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then the max and the min still stay there. So I thought we were getting closer and closer and closer with understanding documentation and whoops, not wrong one. There we go. And more control. So I just wanted to make sure that we touched on this. I was going back through notes, getting this week's stuff around, and these are the things that I've been alluding to, the power and the control of pandas and the list like numbers, optional, and defaults. So there we go, guys. Real quick video today. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests. And if you haven't been back in a while, the video requests are being made additional on a 12-hour offset. I need to commit to memory the UTC time that everything comes out. But they come out 12 hours differential from the standard time, because we've had a lot of requested videos and I don't want to delay any of our tutorials. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.